Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see in this video stylish girls bob with bangs haircuts ideas, latest and stylish. You will see in this videos unique different bob with bangs haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So do you have new ideas of new or very stylish haircut designs? So viewers please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring very beautiful modern haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So if you are a college girls or a business girls, this setup is look very creative and very beautiful for you guys. Today you will see in this videos modern front, back and sided both attractive bob with bangs haircut designs. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching this videos till the end. Today you will see in this videos new all very stylish different haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Today you will see in this videos very stylish beautiful bob with bangs haircut designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. And enjoy new already stylish beautiful bob with bangs haircut designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Dear viewers, I always try to bring very stylish girls bob haircuts. So lovely viewers, I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you as a medical bob haircuts performance in 2023. You will see before and after haircuts ideas. So dear viewers, I will meet